Hi, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are preparing Bhindi Salan. Now, if you're not a fan of Bhindi or lady's finger, you can try the same recipe with some bangan or brinjal. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell, and also like, share and comment. So let's move into the video. So to begin with, I have washed and cleaned the lady's finger or bhindi and cut the ends, and I'm dropping it into some hot oil here. I've kept the flame on medium flame. So we'll just fry all of these lady's finger in batches until they are golden brown in color. So you can see they've turned golden brown in color. I'm going to remove this into a paper napkin. In here, I've taken grated coconut, peanuts and sesame seeds. We are going to roast this. I'm going to dry roast this on a medium flame until they start changing color and give out a fragrance. Now I've added 3 dry red chilli. You can add 4 if you want. So they've started changing color. We will switch off the flame and let it cool. Once it's cooled completely, add in the garlic and the ginger. Add sufficient water and make a smooth paste out of this. I've kept the kadai back on fire with some oil heating up. Into that goes mustard and fenugreek seeds. Once they splutter, add in the curry leaves. Now in goes sliced onion. We'll saute this until the onion starts changing color. So the onion have turned slightly brown. We'll add in the masala paste that we have prepared. Also in goes red chilli powder, turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix everything together. Now we'll add 2 cups of water. Close with lid and then let it cook on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, we'll add in the fried lady's finger or bhindi. Mix it well, and now we'll let it cook for another 10 minutes. Once it's cooked for 10 minutes, I'm adding the tamarind extract here. If you're using tamarind paste, you can just follow the instructions in the ingredients list. Now add jaggery. I've used powdered jaggery here. Mix well and we'll let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. It's cooked well and the salan is ready. So this can be served with some veg biryani or any sort of biryani, fulka or plain rice even. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and share. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.